There's a lot of changes happening in Citrus County and a lot of new construction. This is the area of 486 and Lecanto Highway, which is going to have a lot of stores coming, including a Target, PetSmart, Aldi. They just added a Panda Express. There's rumors of a Chick-fil-A coming. So watch out for this space. It's really going to be interesting. Now, I do feel torn as a native Floridian watching a lot of these beautiful trees and pastures disappear. But Florida is a growing state, so this is what's happening. Here on this map, you can see what's coming. Now, I did highlight this big development here south of Highway 44 called Lecanto Preserve, so that's going to be interesting to see that come in too. This is the backside of what will be the Target area, and you'll see just how much construction is underway. They moved a tremendous amount of dirt to get all this level for the construction. One thing I'll leave you with is later in the video, you'll see I actually drove over to Highway 44 and went down to the new Suncoast Expressway / Veterans Expressway / Turnpike, I guess. And what they're doing is they're extending the Veterans from Tampa, which is going to go all the way through Citrus County, all the way to Highway 19. And that is rapidly being built right now. Now, if you guys have any requests for any future drone shots, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys what you think of all these drone shots I've been doing. I haven't been doing a lot of technology reviews, but I do need to get back on those technology reviews of things that I used to do. A friend of mine has a new Ford F-150 Lightning, and I'm going to be putting that video out pretty soon. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave comments below and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.